The upcoming Levi's X Jordan brand collaboration is set to make waves, with official images now revealing the full scope of the collection. Among the three colorways, the Black Denim Air Jordan 3 stands out with its distinctive design choices. Swapping the traditional leather upper for black denim twill, this model introduces a sleek, modern texture while maintaining the classic AJ3 silhouette. The iconic elephant print is replaced with subtle pony hair detailing on the toe guard and heel, paired with a denim-covered heel plate for a cohesive premium look. Levi's heritage is celebrated through a Nike Air hang tag featuring the signature back patch and patterned insole, while the tongue displays a Year of the Horse inscription, tying Eastern tradition with a Western aesthetic. This black denim edition offers a fresh take on a classic, balancing craftsmanship and style. The Levi's X Jordan 3 collection is slated for release on February 21, 2026, with each pair retailing at $230.